So, hey guys, today I just get my slime, slime, just slime enrichment. So, this one just I made right now. And this is what I got. This is not white glue, guys. It's clear glue. I put a lot of lotion because it's not sticky at all. So I just put some lotion and hope it's gonna be clear. So hope you enjoy it this week. And also, guys, Christina's playing with her like donut lips. What? And this is what I got. So I'm just gonna poke it. It's a little bit sticky. Sound interesting. So I give it this like milk container. So there's green hollow hollow just like letters. And I put it in this container, the milk container with your baby. I put it in here because it is airtight container. It's airtight container. And make sure you flat it. Wait. Once my tablet, the camera one, here. Actually, guys, my tablet. I'm using my tablet when I do the vlog. So yeah, I have two favorites. One, this one is a blue, and I have this like wait. I just made a just like a snot slime. It's color green. See this there. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. And she's playing with her saliva. Ew. And ew. She's sweating. And guys, I mixed my just like blue green because I have my snot slime. It is color pretty green. And wait, pretty green, and it turned into a just like tealish blue green. So pretty, and I mix it with. So I'm just gonna make some my ASMR sound, but not the whole thing. Start with this. So hope you enjoy, guys. Yes, and follow it. Let me guys show you. Okay. So that's the blue one. It's so very stretchy. It smells like lotion. So Athena's slowly. Oh. I put it in this container because it's a little handy and airtight container. Wait. So second one. Whoa, it doesn't stick. Look at that. So I'm just gonna put it into the container. Sorry for the background noise, guys. Yeah, let me show you. Look, it is pretty much more interesting when I don't put the lotion because it's not stretchy as this one. It's not stretchy, so I put lotion. the one that my aunt gave me. And she's playing with the donut like hair clips, and it's so pretty stretchy. And I think I put a lot of lotion on there because I used two glues in here, two clear glue. Hope it will clear. So I'm gonna vlog it when it is pretty clear. And actually, it sounds like this line, guys. And it also make those noises. Keep this and keep it in your container to not so your slime will not dry. So she's now mad at me.